The flood situation in the state has worsened following heavy rainfall in neighbouring Arunachal Pradesh. The floods there have in fact specifically turned critical in upper regions of Assam. The Brahmaputra and all its tributaries are flowing above the danger level. Even in Kaziranga National Park, 95 out of the 233 forest checkposts were found to be submerged. In fact, the Indian Air Force as well as the Army is carrying out rescue operations over there. The floods have affected around 19 districts in the state and over 6 lakh people have also been hit.
From last evening, the flood situation of Assam has turned into little critical. Water at all levels in the river Brahmaputra is flowing above danger level. 41 revenue circle has been affected so far. Even in Kaziranga, the forest checkpost, all the forest vigilant posts, almost 95 vigilant posts has been submerged. Animal has started migrating from the reserve forest to the nearby hills.
ईस्टर्न रीजन के जो विभिन्न स्टेट्स हैं जो यानी कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, मेघालय, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम और त्रिपुरा, यहाँ के मोस्ट प्लेसेस में यानी कि अनेक स्थानों में मॉडरेट रेनफॉल होने की संभावना है, यानी कि मध्यम स्तर की बारिश होने की संभावना है। वेदर वार्निंग की बात करें तो वेदर वार्निंग में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि डे 1 में थंडरस्टॉर्म, लाइटनिंग हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस में, यानी कि 1 या 2 स्थानों में अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, मेघालय, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम और त्रिपुरा। साथ ही साथ हेवी टू वेरी हेवी विथ isolated extremely heavy rain is very likely to occur at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura.
In Assam, the flood situation remains grim. In fact, there have been orange alert for entire northeast for almost till this weekend, so therefore more rains are expected. In neighbouring Meghalaya, there is a red alert for rains. In fact, in the past couple of days, particularly in the Assam, Upper Assam region, Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, Sivsagar, Jorhat and Golaghat district have been largely affected. In Dibrugarh district, flood waters have completely submerged the entire town. It's a key center in the Upper Assam region. For the past 5 days, people are waterlogged and water could not be pumped out into the river, given the fact that the Brahmaputra and its tributaries in the Upper Assam region is flowing above danger level. In fact, now what we are hearing from the Assam State Disaster Management Authority sources is that the flood water is now threatening for a larger flood situation in Central Assam region, particularly in Tejpur and Nagaon district. In fact, there has been a breach in an embankment in Koliabor in Nagaon district that is threatening the larger areas of Koliabor, Bokakhat as well as Nagaon region. So therefore, remember the Indian Army had helped the authorities in a rescue operation of fishermen as well as personnel from the State Disaster Response Force in Dibrugarh district. In neighbouring Arunachal Pradesh, where there have been major rains, a team of Assam Rifles personnel and army persons have rescued students and teachers from a school where they were stranded. So therefore, in Arunachal Pradesh as well, there have been reports of landslides, and landslides have been reported from Meghalaya. Now the focus is in coming 3 days from this morning. If the rain continues, then larger areas of Assam would be inundated. Already over 6 lakh people in 19 districts are affected. So therefore, perhaps this effect might actually get multiplied if there are more people across the region get affected, and if the floods, if the rains continue in the same manner in the Brahmaputra Valley as well as the Barak Valley region as well as the neighbouring hills of Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh as well as Bhutan, because if it rains in Bhutan, then fresh areas in Lower Assam is going to get inundated. So therefore, coming 48 to 72 hours are very crucial in this flood situation in Assam, which is getting worse every passing day, and in fact there are fresh breach of embankment reported from Central Assam.